people play with me. Like, you know.
Take it out, yo. I will. And if I got been now, I will do it now. Take it out with me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig. All of the links are in the description box below, so you can check out this company and the actual unit itself. But I want to tell you guys a little bit about this unit. First, of course, I'm going to show you everything that came in the packaging. So this is everything here, everything that you would need to install your unit. But luckily this unit is actually super easy to install. So it comes pre-plucked, pre-cut as well, and bleached. So literally you don't have to do anything to this unit. It's also glueless, so you can actually just install this in less than 3 minutes. You will have this on your head ready to go. I'm going to show you guys a little bit later too how I put it on straight out of the packaging. Now the hair is red, as we all can see, you know, with fall right around the corner. This wig is actually perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a little pop of color, everything about this unit is super nice. So I'm just going to slide this on my head. It fits perfectly, as you can see here. I am going to be adding makeup to my lace, however, because I feel like it's just a little bit too light, of course, for my skin tone. But that's about it that you would need to do. You don't have to pluck it. You definitely can. But, you know, it's super easy to put on. You can wear and go without any trouble at all. So, again, the links are in the description box below if you guys would like to check it out. I'm just going to be adding a few curls to this hair. And then, of course, I'm going to do like some baby hairs to give it more of a natural feel. But, yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, I would also like to add that the hair curled on this unit very, very well. And they held up all day. So, of course, I like that. And I like that this hair, or this wig, fit my head. I do have a larger head, so that's something that I'm always like skeptical about. I have a low hairline as well, so those little pieces of my edges are always going to be out. But anyways, like I said, great unit, perfect for beginners. So definitely check them out, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please go ahead and like it as well, like the video, and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, got money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it above. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, got money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, got money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn.
Yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. I had to cut some niggas out, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no bug. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still right these hooks.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show. Savage, say you pussy and he hit it on the nose. But that border's open, why you acting like it's closed? I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas. Or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with coral reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eat Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the re-up.
Powder Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
Seen too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need ya. For real, yeah.
On that bullshit,
Okay.
on that bullshit, 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 on that bullshit. We on all the bullshit, on that 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 bullshit, all the bullshit.
Damn. Maybe I should do a 20. Maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break that 10, do a 5. Then if it gets loud, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that live, he'd be alive again. Damn. My uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes, I don't feel none. Oh shit, wait a minute, think I'm starting to feel some. Where you get this motherfucking pill from? Heard they got some sanctions on my name. Heard they plotting on my name. Heard they banking on my name. I got leader in this bitch and he might spank it on a lane. I'm just what in the cut, throwing frankers on her frame. I'm a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes. I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we end the shit. I pay $500,000 for his soul. He my nemesis.
On that bullshit,
Okay.
on that bullshit, 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 on that bullshit. We on all the bullshit, on that bullshit, on that bullshit, on that bullshit.